Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my video. Today's video will be unboxing a special package I got specially for myself, and guess what? So I ordered this and it came. Oh, now let's watch. La la la. And it is a drone Xpro. Now watch me as I set up this drone for first time users. If not used a drone before, just watch this video and see how it. Okay, so we'll be unboxing this drone. We've got the package here, which is, this is the manual, I guess. We've got the installation guide, the connection detail, the FBA function, and the introduction. I think some are written in Arabic that I don't understand. So this is the drone. We've got the propellers. The propellers are on here. You can see got the propellers. So put that down here. We've got this. This is the remote. I'm sure this is in a video. This is the control, what to use to control it, and this can go in a 360 degrees. So when it starts using it, this can also go in a 360 degrees. So it's got this, so you can put the the battery is not yet here. Now the drone came with 5 different things. We have the drone itself, we have the remote control, we have a USB cord to charge, then we have a screwdriver to put your battery in, and we've got the extra propellers, the extra wings. If you want to fly indoors, you don't need to put this, but if you want to fly it outdoors, you can put that. So now we have a USB port where a place where you can put your memory card. There's a port for memory card. You can put your memory card in here if you want to put it. So this is the battery. I'm going to be removing the battery now, so you can see this is the battery, and the battery will be using a USB cord to charge. This is the battery for the drone. You have to get another battery for the remote. Now let's put that in the charging points. Where is the charging point for this? Okay, yeah, so here is the charging point. That is by the sides. You can see the charging point. So I'm going to put it in the charging point, and you can charge with your laptop. So I may be charging with my laptop, or you can charge with a USB cord if you want to. Okay, let me unfold this and see. Oh god. Okay. So you can charge with your phone charger also. So far it has a USB head. So this, putting it beside the my laptop and see if it's going to come up. Oh, okay. Now you can see the lights blinking. So this is the light that will come off. So this is how to easily charge your drone when the battery is running off. You can easily charge it on it. So I'm going to leave this to charge for some time. Now let's open up the drone. We've gotten the drone. Now we have to open the wings. You have to make sure you open it completely. See this, open this and open this. Now we've opened on the drone. Listen, but we've not put the propeller yet, so you have to put the propeller on. We have to make sure the propeller is on it. So we'll be fixing the propeller now. These bits we have to come. There is a 2 pieces hole here. You have to fix it in there. Okay, so that is fixed. Fix this. It could be quite delicate to fix, but you have to be careful when fixing it. Okay, so that is fixed. We'll fix this one. You have to be careful when fixing it so that it doesn't break, because it's camera. You can see this is where the camera is. Now the drone is ready. The remote control, and you can see it has its own button. You can put it to the right, to the left. It can go anywhere you want it to go. And when you want to open it, you can. You just use a screwdriver to open the battery. Oh yeah, use the screwdriver to open. So opening this, and you're gonna be putting the battery. So the battery is going to be coming on this 3 port. So now we've got the battery. I'm going to be putting the battery in there. One. I'll put back the battery inside the drone now, inside the remote. So now I'm going to be removing the battery from the charging point here and putting it in here. I'm going to be putting it back. So this is right now. Fly. The drone is ready to fly now. Putting it on now and putting this on too. Manual of the remote. This is the antenna. This is the antenna. Well, this is the left side fly fine tuning. This is the left joystick, and we have the left joystick and the right joystick. The left joystick, this is the joysticks. We have the left joysticks and the right joystick. We have the forward. This is the forward button. We have the left side. This is the left side button. This is the left side button. This is the right side button. Then we have the landing key. This is the landing key. When you want a drone to land, this is the landing key. Then we have the speed, which is, it can actually be fast or slow. We've got some buttons here, which is we have the headless mode, we have the high or low speed, we have one key flip, we have the backward, and we have the power switch on it. This is the power switch. So the drone has a lot of buttons that operates it. This is the antenna. You can see the remote, how the remote looks like. This is how the drone remote, this is how it looks like. So you can actually turn 360 degrees here and turn 360 degrees here if you want it. You can see the lights, how it's flashing. Okay, I know my drone is ready to fly. My drone is ready to fly now. So fly the drone now. Let's put the drone here and let's see. Let's put the drone there and let's see. Okay, I'm gonna put on the drone. for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed my video and the unboxing of my drone Xpro. I'm going to be giving a review on it later on, and when I start flying it, I'm going to let you guys know. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will be seeing you in my next video. By the way, I made this here by myself. I think I tried. See you guys. Catch you all later on.